Today, I'll show you how to use Pinterest. Pinterest is an app and website where you can find ideas, save them, and organize them for later. You can use it for fashion, home design, recipes, wallpapers, travel ideas, hairstyles, business tips, and many other things. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone, or go to Pinterest in your browser. If you already have an account, sign in. If you are new, create an account using your email, Google account, or another sign-up option shown on the screen. Once you are inside Pinterest, you will see a home feed. This is where Pinterest shows you pictures, videos, and ideas based on what you like. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. Type what you are looking for. For example, you can search for outfit ideas, bedroom design, healthy meals, birthday decorations, phone wallpaper, or wedding inspiration. Pinterest will show you many results. These results are called pins. Tap any pin that looks interesting. When you open a pin, you may see a bigger image, a description, and sometimes a link to a website. If you want to save the pin, tap Save. Pinterest may ask you to choose a board. A board is like a folder where you keep similar ideas together. For example, you can create a board for outfits, recipes, home ideas, wallpapers, or travel plans. To create a new board, tap Create Board. Give it a name and save it. Now the pin will be stored there, so you can find it later. You can view your saved pins by going to your profile and opening your boards. If you want to find more ideas like one pin, tap on it and scroll down. Pinterest will show similar pins. You can also follow creators, brands, or topics you like. This helps Pinterest show you more content that matches your interests. If a pin has a shopping link or website link, you can tap Visit Site, Shop, or a similar button to open the original website. Just remember that Pinterest is mostly for discovering and saving ideas. Some products can be bought through links, but the purchase usually happens on another website. So, to keep it simple, use Pinterest by searching for ideas, opening pins, saving your favorites, and organizing them into boards. And that's how you use Pinterest. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.